Okay, so this particular question says condense the expression below, and the other part of the question says expand the expression below, and they're both testing this particular set of log rules. I've shown you the first of three, and if it's log base b of p plus log base q base b of q, then the result is log base b of p times q. But if you turn this plus into a minus sign, that times turns into a divide. Okay, so those two rules are two parts of the same rule, so I don't really have to write it twice. And the other rule we don't need until we get down below, so I'll give it there. So I do need it. The other rule you need is log whatever base. If you have a log b, that capital A gets to jump up as an exponent. Okay, so this is the other rule that's very, very important for working with logs. So to condense an expression, we're going to make this exponent jump up. This exponent is going to jump up. And so the first step, log base 3 of x to the 5th minus log base 3 of y plus 10 is going to be squared. And I'm just being very explicit. The extra parentheses are not, strictly speaking, necessary because it's understood, but I'm putting parentheses in there just for clarity. So now I can use the previous rule, except instead with a plus, I'm using the minus part of the rule. And I'm going to have a nice big fraction bar. X to the 5th goes on top, and y plus 10 all squared goes on the bottom. Okay, great. So you use the same rules in the second question where you're supposed to expand the expression below. So we can do it in two stages. It's not necessary to take all these steps, but I'm doing it again for clarity. So the cube root is the same as the power of 1/3. So anytime you have like square root of x is x to the 1/2, and the third root of x is x to the 1/3. So and so forth. Whatever the power is, you just say 1 over p. Okay. So now we want to say minus log base 7 of 14. But I haven't expanded it fully until I've used the other rule and let the exponent jump in front. And that's it.